Okay, let's see this question. So trying to solve this system of equations, the first equation is given as a quadratic by x raised by square. The second one is linear. So what do? One way we could do it is we solve for y in the second equation. So this one we can rewrite as y equals to 1 minus x. Then because this is the equation with y, this is also equation with y, we can equal the right-hand side. So we can write x squared minus x minus 48 that equals to 1 minus x. All right. So now we want to simplify this equation. We see negative x on the left-hand side, negative x on the right-hand side. We can add x on both sides, get rid of those two. So we're left with x squared minus 48 equals to 1. Then we add 48 on both sides, get x squared equals to 1 plus 48, which is 49. Then we square root both sides, you get x equals to positive negative 7, because 7 squared is 49. And that's it, let's check. So if x equals 7, so let's plug into the second equation, plug into this. So y plus 7 equals to 1. That gives us y equals to 1 minus 7, which is negative 6. So get one solution. If x is positive 7, y equals to negative 6. But now we still use the same equation. If x equals to negative 7, we have y plus negative 7 equals to 1. We'll add a negative 7 on both sides. So y equals to 1 plus 7, which is 8. So we'll get another solution, negative 7 and 8. So we have two solutions. So what does this mean geometrically? So this means we have this quadratic equation, right? This is, if we graph this as a function, we have upward parabola. And we have this side as a linear equation, which we know is a line. It's a straight line. So this means if x, so that means the two solutions means these two graphs, if we consider each one as a function, so we have these two graphs. The two solutions means the graph, the intersection of those two graphs. Right, so this one would be negative 7 and 8, and this one would be 7 and negative 6. All right, that's the geometric meaning of those two solutions.